Hey everybody, I've had a lot of people ask me questions on how to make this sign, so here goes. So the wood I'm using is Baltic birch. I get it from Okuch Hardwoods. I'll put it in the description. The tape I get from Amazon. It's to the size of the planks of wood that I purchase, so everything that I make can be covered with this roll of tape. So after you've sanded the wood, stained it, done up your design, you send it to the laser. So I use 1/8 inch for all the top layers, and that back piece right there, the saw blade looking piece, is 1/4 inch. And also what I did, you can't see it in the video, but I engraved a very light impression where those pieces that I'm gluing on, so I can line them up. The letters sit into the cutout in the other piece of wood, so it goes in perfect. But if you want things to look good, you got to use the laser to mark things up. Put a little weight on it, make sure it gets good contact, and then we still have to assemble some of the letters. Depending on how you make your design, you can avoid all the little pieces, but on this design I want it to be raised inset to the back piece, or to the front piece, which it is. So notice the letters going perfect. They're not crooked or anything because they sit down in the little valley. The laser's an amazing tool. Takes all the hard work out of woodworking. Anyone out there looking to get into laser engraving or start a home-based business, I offer training in all the graphics programs for laser engraving. I also do training in Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and CorelDRAW. If you're interested, just send me a message. The masking tape helps eliminate all burn marks that the laser produces. So when I pull off the masking tape at the end of the job, I have a finished product in a higher quality than most laser engravers that you'll see out there. Unless you're looking for that and you want that, so otherwise tape it. Any questions, put them in the comments or send me a message. Thank you for watching, and please share my video if you know anyone that's interested.